My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the online scam that comes from the site yoursecuritydatabase.com. The website yoursecuritydatabase.com claims to be related to some decent security software, but the point is that it is not related to that software. These pop-ups are the trace of some adware that is currently enabled and active in your computer. If you mistakenly interact with these pop-ups, you are under the risk of having your computer infected with certain potentially unwanted programs. The website says that your PC may have been infected, and it also displays some other frustrating messages trying to encourage people into downloading certain software supposedly to get it fixed. But when people start interacting with these pop-ups, they may be brought to a lot of other shady and pretty deceptive websites of a very bad reputation. And as I said, eventually customers may be forced to download and install some other potentially unwanted programs. So do not ever interact with these fake alerts and do not trust them. What we recommend you to do is to leave this page and to disregard its content. We also recommend that you additionally research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.